Hey everyone, Bobby here from Bipper Media. Listen, if you're a lawyer and you don't have this ebook, what are you doing? This ebook is all about AI SEO for you, for lawyers. As you know, you don't need me to tell you, any kind of lawyer, any kind of practice area that you practice, it's hyper competitive in your market. Especially if you're a criminal defense, personal injury, and even more so if you're in a large metro area, you're in a hyper competitive space. AI is overtaking both Google search with Google AI Overview and all Gen AI search apps, especially ChatGPT. You need to be optimizing your law firm, not only for SEO, which is what you've always done before, just for ranking in Google search, Google Maps, but you have to be optimizing for AI search. Your competitors guarantee, I know because we have law firm clients and their competitors, I see what they're doing. They're punching the gas on trying to figure out AI optimization. Our ebook lays it all out for you. So go ahead, take a minute, get this ebook right now. It's completely free, and learn how to optimize your law firm, not just for SEO and for Google search, Google Maps, but all AI. And we can't wait to talk to you soon.